Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So in this session we are going to learn how we can create the blocked report, okay, with the subtotal included using the report wizard. So let's get started. So you just open the Visual Studio and select your SSRS template or create a new solution, and there you will find this folder reports. Right click on the report folder and click on add new report. That is nothing but a report wizard. Click on here, click on next. Okay, this was the welcome wizard, so that is fine. So we need to select the new data source. Okay, as I have told you earlier in my earlier sessions, that this is the for getting the server name, you need to go to the SSMS and click on connect database engine. There you will get the server name. Copy this. Okay, paste it over here. As soon as you paste it, all the database will be available, which is available on the server. So select the sample DB because our table is residing in this uh, database. Now this is the query that we wanted to display. Okay, this is the sales data. So copy this entire query here, click on OK. So it is asking which type of the report we want. We want the tabular report. Click on OK. Now it is asking which type of the the design of the table it is asking. So we want the reason, okay, to be in group section. We want all the data to be grouped by the reason, okay, and all other fields to be in detail section. Okay, I have not kept anything in the page level. So what it will do, it will display, this is the display field section. It will display salesperson name, product names, item sold, unit price, country on the basis of reason. Okay, now click on next. Now it is asking the table layout. This in earlier session we have learned how we can create the stepped. Okay, and now this time we will see how we can display it in block format. And if you display it in the block format, there is an option include the subtotal. If you wanted, you can check this out as well. So let me click it, and let me click on next, and let me give, and we need to give a nicer name, block report. I'll say block sales report with subtotal. Okay, wait a second. And click on preview report and click on finish. So this is the way we will be able to create the block sales report. If you see this, the name what we have given will be coming as a header, and this is the region Asia, and this is the region Europe and North America, and the total is also coming like items sold. It has automatically checked which column is of, not varchar of something that we can put the sum or aggregate on integer type, or it should not be in varchar condition, varchar data type. Like item sold is integer, unit price is also integer or decimal. So it has taken these two columns and put the sum aggregation on these columns and give the total values here. So this is looks very bad. So what we can, because the styling is not there, so go to the design here and select this thing over here, and put it in middle. Okay, just format it. I'll make it as a Times New Roman. Okay, and this is fine, looks good. Okay, make it as this color. And this header we also wanted to keep it as bold, not underline. So choose some, or if you want, you can choose your background color. So I'll make it as a lighter pink color here and go to preview. So this way you can see this is the header of the report. Okay, this is the name of the report. This is your all the columns. This is the reason, and if you wanted to highlight the reason as well, you can, pick this and make it bold, make it give some colors here, and in green color, which color could be, white color you can say, will be our 4 color. Okay, it will be populating, I mean we will be able to see clearly. So here you can see the reason section. Okay, this is now highlighted as a white color, and under this reason we have a total of units sold to and unit price total of 27,000, which is nothing but a 20,000 plus 7,000. And when we talk about in Europe, then we have this total. Okay, for North America we have this total. So this is a block diagram. Okay, why it is called block diagram? Because everything is in block structure here. If you see the records we have in the block structure, I mean in this two records is under the Asia region. Then this record, this three records is under the Europe region. Okay, and two records under the North America region. So this way you can create your block sales report or block report with subtotal functionality or subtotal features in the SSRS report. So I hope you like the video. In case you have any comment, you can give me the comment in the comment section. I would be happy to give you answers on this. Thank you and have a nice day.